it has been shockingly refreshing how engaged RideCo has been. They delivered what they promised, and then they over-delivered. The amount of time on the ground, the face time, I think the reason we probably would have had a longer growth curve if we had just had some YouTube videos and told everybody to sit in a classroom and watch a monitor, and maybe a Zoom meeting or a WebEx that somebody was trying to answer questions over. The fact that they sent multiple people on site to our little property, I'm sure that scales, of course, to the project, but we didn't get one person for 4 hours. We got several people for multiple days that, again, were in the office with the dispatchers, we're out in the vehicles with the operators, hands-on, walking them through it, explaining if they were confused. No, this is how this works. This is how that'll sort out. The continued follow-up, the constant partnership, the quick responsiveness. I know peers in the industry that I talk with that have other platforms, whether it's this particular type of service or even other technologies, and they will go weeks or months or a year plus and promised changes or additions to reporting or modules or capabilities just never get rolled out or take forever. We haven't made massive asks, but it's been a great partnership of, asking, clarifying, and then executing very quickly and getting our little nuanced needs in our system addressed very effectively.